Assalamu alaikum. I am Ibrahim Afzal from Al Hai campus.
Assalamu alaikum, and it's me Numair Abbas from Al Hai campus. Dear audience, it is rightly said, believing in yourself is the first secret to success.
उस कौम को शमशीर की हाजत नहीं रहती, उस कौम को शमशीर की हाजत नहीं रहती, हो जिसके जवानों की खुदी सूरत फौलाद। शाहीन कभी परवाज से थक कर नहीं गिरता, शाहीन कभी परवाज से थक कर पुरदम है अगर तू तो नहीं खतराए उफ्ताद।
It's a time to rise up,
To take control of our lives
and to chase our big dreams. For too long, we have let fear hold us back.
we have let doubt creep in.
We have let uncertainty paralyze us. But today, we will say no more.
Our next performance is a call to action, a reminder that we all have the power to create the life we want and to make the difference in the world.
We've all been given a unique gift, a special talent, and a distinct voice. It's a time to use them, to make a difference, to leave a mark, and to create a lasting impact.
So, let's get ready to be inspired.
Let's get ready to be motivated.
Let's get ready to take action. Let's create a life we love and a life we are proud of.
Let's take the first step towards a brighter future.
Dream big dreams. Imagine that you have no limitations and then decide what's right before you decide what's possible.
Dare to dream big, then do something about it.
Dear audience, now prepare to be mesmerized as we present you an electrifying performance that will ignite your senses and leave you breathless.
Put your hands together for a stage rocking,
Thrilling
breathtaking.
and a sensational performance.
Welcome the performers with
With
your
your
thunderous
thunderous
claps.
Indeed, with every difficulty comes ease. बेशक हर मुश्किल के साथ आसानी है.
Another rejection email. Every job apply for says the same thing. We regret to inform you how I am supposed to move forward when nothing's work out. But no, I should not despair as Allah says himself, that relief is always twice as powerful as difficulties or sufferings. I should not forget that no matter how trying the time may be, hardship can never overwhelm Allah's blessing.
Hey Ayan, how are you doing?
Not fine.
I've been calling you. Are you okay?
Not really. I have been trying so hard to find a job, but no one's giving me a chance. I feel like a failure.
I know it's tough, but you're not alone. Everyone faces difficulties in life. It's how you deal with them that makes a difference. This is my uncle Talha. He's an experienced professional.
Hussein tells me that you're going through a tough time, Ryan. Is it so? No worries. I have been there too.
Really? You seem so successful.
Success doesn't come without struggle. When I was at your age, I had to juggle 3 part-time jobs to make ends meet. I faced countless rejections before landing my first real opportunity.
How did you stay motivated?
I reminded myself why I started. I focused on improving my skills and took every small step as progress. Remember, persistence beats resistance. Inspired by mentor's story, Ryan decided to change his approach. He worked on his communication skills, researched new fields, and stayed consistent despite setbacks.
Hello. Yes, I am available. What? What? I got the job. Really? Thank you. Thank you so much.
What happened, Ryan? Tell me.
I got the job, Hussein. I actually got it. They said they were impressed by my determination, adaptability, hard work, and devotion.
Congratulations, Ryan. I'm so happy for you.
Well done, Ryan. I am so proud of you. You see, setbacks aren't failures. They are just lessons in disguise. Life will always throw challenges in your way. but it's your resilience that sets you apart. Remember this moment, Rayan. Success doesn't come overnight. It's earned through patience, effort, and the ability to keep moving forward. No matter what, every struggle you face is shaping you into a person you are meant to be. Always trust Allah Almighty, trust the process, and never give up.
I have learned so much from this journey. I will keep moving forward one step at a time.
That's the spirit. Success belongs to those who persist despite the odds. And you have proven that today.
I have learned all these lessons from our great mentor, Sir Javed Iqbal. Let's have a glimpse.
जब हम मान लेंगे कि हमारी डिफीट हो गई है, उसको मानने के बाद फिर हम देखें कि हमारी मिस्टेक्स क्या थी, हमारी वीकनेसेस क्या थी। अपनी वीकनेसेस को जानना पड़ता है, अपनी वीकनेसेस को चैलेंज करना पड़ता है, उन्हें फिर अपनी स्ट्रेंथ को मैक्सिमाइज करना पड़ता है, फिर बेस्ट प्लान करके फिर इंसान आगे की तरफ निकलता है। मेरा मानना यह है कि जिसको हारना नहीं आता वो जीत नहीं सकता। क्यों? हार से जीत निकालना, यही तो जिंदगी में हमें समझाया गया है। बेटा ऐसे में सब्र करना, एडमिट करना, डिफीट को एडमिट करना कि ये हो गया है, देखना क्यों हुआ है, हमारी वीकनेसेस क्या थी, मैं कहाँ मैंने अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं किया, फिर उसके अकॉर्डिंग प्लान करना, स्ट्रेटेजिक प्लान करना, अपनी स्ट्रेंथ को मैक्सिमाइज करना, चैलेंज कबूल करना, कॉन्कर द लिमिट्स करना, कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग करना, फिर पैशनेट होकर हार से जीत निकालने की जो लगन होती है, ये जो जुनून होता है, ये आपको आपकी हार को जीत में कन्वर्ट एक दफ़ा नहीं फिर बार बार आपको जीत मिलेगी इंशाल्लाह, अगर आपने ये स्किल सीख ली तो। थैंक यू।
तो खुद की खोज में निकल तो किस लिए उदास है, तो खुद की खोज में निकल तो किस लिए उदास है, तो चल तेरे वजूद की वक्त को भी तलाश है, वक्त को भी तलाश है। जो तुझसे लिपटी बेड़ियां समझ न इनको लिबास तू, जो तुझसे लिपटी बेड़ियां समझ न इनको लिबास तू, ये बेड़ियां पिघाल कर बना ले इनको हथियार तू, बना ले इनको हथियार तू। तो खुद की खोज में निकल तो किस लिए उदास है, तो चल तेरे वजूद की वक्त को भी तलाश है, वक्त को भी तलाश है। किरदार जब पाक है तो क्यों है ये हालत तेरी, किरदार जब पाक है तो क्यों है ये हालत तेरी, ये मुजरिमों को हक नहीं कि लें आजमाइश तेरी, कि लें आजमाइश तेरी। तो खुद की खोज में निकल तो किस लिए उदास है, तो चल तेरे वजूद की वक्त को भी तलाश है, वक्त को भी तलाश है।
जो भी हो मुश्किलें उन्हें पार कर, हर कदम पर जीत तुझे हासिल कर, मन में हौसला दिल में हो जज्बा, आगे बढ़ता चल कर अपने सपनों को सच्चा सच्चा। रुकना मत, थमना मत, सपनों की ओर बढ़ता चल, रुकना मत, थमना मत, अपने हौसलों को पंख दे चल, रुकना मत, थमना मत, सपनों की ओर बढ़ता चल, रुकना मत, थमना मत, अपने हौसलों को पंख दे चल। रात चाहे काली हो सुबह जरूर आएगी, तेरी मेहनत रंग लाएगी, मंजिल पास बुलाएगी। जो भी हो रास्ते उनसे लड़ना है, जीत अपनी होगी ये दिल से कहना है। रुकना मत, थमना मत, सपनों की ओर बढ़ता चल, रुकना मत, थमना मत, हर रात नई उम्मीद तेरे कदमों में होगी एक नई ही जीत। तू खुद पर भरोसा रख, मंजिल तेरे पास है, बस तू चलता चल, तेरे संग आस है। रुकना मत, थमना मत, सपनों की ओर बढ़ता चल। रुकना मत, थमना मत, अपने हौसलों को पंख दे चल। रुकना मत, थमना मत, सपनों की ओर बढ़ता चल। रुकना मत, थमना मत, अपने हौसलों को पंख दे चल।
Respected sir, we promise that we will promise that we will act upon all the pieces of advice you've given us in the form of your models and motivational lessons. These models are like candles, spreading light of knowledge and wisdom. One such example is presented here by the students of Al-Hai campus to let everyone know that how blessed we are to have you as our mentor.
Thank you so much, sir, for guiding us to open the doors of Allah's blessing through 3 keys to success. We are highly grateful to you for your unique model for better selves to motivate ourselves. We are really thankful to you for your guiding us. Lastly, after getting success, you taught us how to focus on continuous professional development to be more valuable in our future.
Respectworthy sir, would you like to give us honor by joining us on the stage to light up the candle of firm determination to ignite the spirit of learning and growth forever?
Your clapping must be there in the honor of respected Sir Javed Iqbal.
The theme of this song is Thakna Mat Rukna Mat, means we should not feel low when the difficulties they confront us. Means the theme of this song was letting the students know that in the life you will face challenges, but you would have to confront these challenges and you would have to keep on moving. And here students, they have presented a tribute to Sir Javed Iqbal. Here I want to say some special lines for Sir Javed Iqbal. जिनमें तन्हा चलने के हौसले होते हैं, जिनमें तन्हा चलने के हौसले होते हैं, एक दिन इन्हीं के पीछे काफिले होते हैं।